Welcome back. So now we will be seeing exercise 9b. So 9b, the first question, what would you use to measure these, centimeter, meter or kilometer? So when I was taking the first session, I told you where you will use meter, where you will use centimeter, where you will use kilometers. So let's see. Height of a building. So when I told height of a tree, height of a building and all, you will use meter. Meter scale you will use to measure it. Distance from Mumbai to Chennai. So it is a very long distance. So you will use kilometer. Okay, I told you from Rajkot to Jamnagar you use kilometer. The same thing from Mumbai to Chennai also you use kilometer. Then length of a mouse tail. So the length is very small. So you will use centimeter. If the length is big, the length of a room and all, I told it is meter, but this is a small length, so you can use a scale and measure. So it is centimeter. Then length of a sari. Sari, I told you, you will have meter scale. Only then centimeter scale, it's so small. So how long you will sit and measure? So you have a meter scale to measure the sari length. So it is meter. Length of a sari, it is meter. Length of India's coastline. So along the coastline from Gujarat till the tip of the south, Kanyakumari, then again to the top, to the other eastern side, West Bengal and all. So the whole coastline, you will measure it in kilometer. You can't measure it in meter or centimeter. You measure it in kilometer. Then length of scissors. Scissor is also very small. So the length of the scissor also you can measure using a centimeter scale. Right? So this much you know. Then next is fill in the blanks using centimeter, meter or kilometer. So height of a coconut tree. So height of a tree, I told you it will be in meter. You will measure it in meter. So height of a coconut tree is 10 meter, 10 m. Length of a table, I told you the length of a table, the height of a table, it will be in meter. Then length of an earthworm. Earthworm, it's very small, so you will measure it in centimeter. Then distance from a railway station to your home. So it is a long distance, isn't it, from your home to the railway station. So it is 5 kilometer. Then length of a shoelace. Shoelace, it is very small. You can tie it in your shoes, you know, it is very small. So you can measure it with your scale, normal scale. So it is in centimeter. Length of a shoelace is in centimeter. Then height of a flag post. Flag post means where you tie the flag, you hoist the flag. So that where you tie the flag, we call it as a flag post. So it is very tall. So you will measure it in meter, m. It is 5 meter, 5 m. Okay. Then coming to the third one, Anil's home and the place close to it are shown in the map. You have a map below here. Here you have a small map. Study the map first and answer these questions. So you have a railway station, you have a marketplace, you have a school, then you have a post office, you have airport, and in the center you have Anil's house. So the first question, the shortest route from the Anil's house to marketplace via the dash and is dash kilometer. So the shortest route to the market. So when you see Anil's house and market, you have two routes. One, you can go to the school and then go to market, or you can go to the railway station and then go to market. So when you see, when you go to the school and then the market, it is the shortest route. So he'll have to travel 5 kilometers to reach the market via the school. Via school means first he will go to the school, then he will go to the market. Okay. Then shortest route from Anil's house to airport. So airport again, either he can go to railway station and then to airport, or he can go to school, then travel to post office, then to airport. So which is the shortest route? Of course it is through the railway station. First he will go to railway station, then he will come back to the airport. So railway station is 2 kilometer, then again 4 kilometer to airport. So 2 plus 4, it is 6 kilometer. Right? So similarly the rest of the thing you have to answer. Then coming to the last one. Here I have just drawn a rough diagram. The last one, they have given you an Indian map of India and also the different places here, and there is a air distance between two place. For example, you have Delhi here, you have Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Trivandrum, Chennai, and all so many places, and the distance between two places is given here. So the first question is Kolkata to Bangalore. So when you travel by air, what is the distance? So it is a long distance, so you'll have to calculate in kilometer, and they have given here, see, 1881 kilometer between Kolkata and Bangalore. So you have to write here 1881. Similarly, another one I'll say from Delhi to Hyderabad. So there is no flight between Delhi to Hyderabad straight, not Hyderabad, Ahmedabad. So you have to go first to Hyderabad, then you have to come back to Ahmedabad. Okay, so Delhi to Hyderabad is 1499 kilometer. So you travel here. Then from Hyderabad to Ahmedabad, it is 1208 kilometer. So when you travel from Delhi to Ahmedabad, first you have to travel this, then this. So you have to add up both this, and the answer will be 2707 kilometers. So at last, Delhi to Ahmedabad, you will have to travel 2707, that is 2707 kilometers. So Calcutta to Bangalore, it is just the straight from Calcutta, you board a flight, you will land in Bangalore. There is no between, you are not having any other place. So the 1881 kilometer, the distance between Calcutta and Bangalore is 1881 kilometer. Whereas from Delhi to Ahmedabad is, you have to first travel to Hyderabad and then from Hyderabad to Ahmedabad. So you have this 1499 plus this distance 1208 kilometer. So total you have 2707 kilometer you have to travel to reach Ahmedabad, right? So the same way you can do the rest two sums also, rest 2-3 sums also. Okay, so with this we are finishing measurement of length. So the next session we will be seeing measurement of mass and measurement of capacity. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the interactive session. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.